Assalamualaikum. My name is Ahmad Kinajmi bin Ahmad Rizal. My matrix number is 2310623774. So for my fuzzy project, my title is fuzzy washing machine controller. So this is my fuzzy logic. So I have two input, which is dirtiness and load weight, and the output is wash time. So I use Mamdani. So this is my training coding. So if I run, I get three graph, which is wash time, membership, dirtiness level, and load weight. So for testing, for the result, this is the fuzzy surface for my project. And for testing, I use rule viewer. So if the dirtiness is 1.06 and the load weight is 7.63, so the wash time will be 35. So that's all from me. Thank you.